So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do once you open up your Duda website builder is you can do a couple of actually different things. You can go to your advanced header and you can select something like this. So you can see here image, you can see manage image, edit the design. You can click on manage image and you can see the image name and you can just click on that and remove and add a different image, and that will be replacing your logo. So that's for some websites that you already have some headers and already some setup built there. If you don't, go to widgets and add your logo manually. Now you can do that through some options on here, and once you are there you can just choose a column. So if you search for widgets, so you can see inner column that's vertical, and you can see the advanced grid. Use this to allow overlapping elements and advanced design within a grid. You don't really need that, but that would be a part of a column. Now once you added it wherever you want to add it, on here you can see the design aspects of it. So you can click on here, you can see the layout, the wrap or no wrap, you can add spacing, alignment, and so on. So you can actually set it up quite easily through there and add an image if you so wish through there as well. But the much easier way would be through here. So just click on this and manage image and basically replace the image on here. So you can click on this image right there and just place a logo there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.